I see you. I do. I see you. Oh. Oh. You gonna come down the slide again? Good girl.
You gonna come down the slide? Okay, go on. Hold your feet up in the air. If you hold your feet up in the air, it's much better.
Right, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay.
Put your feet up.
Oh.
Your shoes get stuck, you see.
Very good.
You go up again? You gonna go up again? Where are we going now? Oh, Daddy help. Okay, come on, Daddy help. Yeah.
Yay.
Like a giant.
Oh, in here.
Oh, careful. You're probably better to crawl.
I see you. It's a bit, you're a bit too tall to walk, Saoirse. There you go. Oh, backwards, backwards, backwards.
Come on. Yeah. Good girl.
Right, backwards. You're a funny girl.
Wow.
Find your head.
Saoirse.
Oh. She's gonna come down backwards. Whee! Excellent, lovely and wet.
She's fine. Fingers are changed anyway. Good girl. Huh? Good girl.
Where are you off to now? Bye bye. Bye bye, Saoirse.
Yeah, oh, all dirty.
Oh, dirty.
Yeah, is that better? Yeah. Dirty again. Oh dear. I could have a long day cleaning hands, didn't I? There you go, good girl. Now where are we going to go? You want to go over there? She just came out of there. Okay, we go back in.
Dirty again. This is a big kiddies play area. Yeah. Good girl.
Girl. Pretty good. How are you? Careful now. Be wet. Hello.
Hey, Lydia, Mike.
There's the doggy. Yeah.
I'm up here, Mom.
Dog? Yeah. We're going after the doggy, are we? to go over this way? Come on.
Oh, look, all the leaves on the ground.
You want to swing again?
Hi.
Oh, you want to go in this way? You want to go over here on the swing, no? Or do you want to go on the bicycle? Yeah? You go on the bicycle? Yeah, okay. You go on the bicycle. Oh, you want to go in here? Go in here. There you go, good girl.
Oh.
Down one step, good girl. Yeah. Now you gotta get right over the edge. There you go, good girl. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Now, where are you going? Have you figured out? Which one is it going to be? Oh, you want to go with this guy? This guy here, number 8, yeah? You can't go to the horse. The horse is all wet. Completely wet. You go on the bike? Yay! Get this way, look. You got a pine cone, yeah.
You're like a little squirrel. Collecting your pine cones. Yeah.
Yeah.
Was that for me?
You gonna give that to Mom?
Oh, thank you, Saoirse. You're very good. It's all wet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wet.
You go on the other one?
You cleaning?
You're washing your hands. You wanna go up on this one? You go up on this one?
Are you washing your hands, are you? Are you washing your hands, yeah? Good girl. They're all clean now, yeah? Oh, look at Daddy.
Do you wanna go? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, up you go. No, hold on tight, put your feet down. There you go. Good girl. Yay.
Good girl.
And go again, Yay, good girl. You wanna go to the swing? Will we go over to the swing? Okay. One more go here. One more go. Go again. Come on. One more go. Give it a really good go. Come on. Yeah. The swing. Come on. You wanna get down? Ah, there we go. Come on.
Over to the swing now, yeah?